Hey all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today is going to be a super quick video and it has to do with really jazzing up your Instagram post or any type of design that you're looking to create in Canva. We're not going boring today. We're going to really enhance our post that we're going to create. Okay, so we're going to pretend we're posting something on Instagram. Maybe we are marketing this handbag or this jacket, or we want to add some text and whatever else to it. So I found an image that I liked. I found it, so I have it here added, and it's a young lady with a jacket and her bag. Um, I mean, it looks okay, but to me, we can do a whole lot better. So, for one, why don't I go ahead and stretch it out a little bit? Try to capture as much as I can of her. And I mean, we can go bigger if we really wanted to. Let's see. I think this looks good. We can make it wider. There we go. All right, I made my screen a little bit smaller so that you can see the full stuff. All right, so we've got our image. I'm going to go ahead and remove the background. Perfect. Now I'm going to actually play around with the background a little bit, and I'm going to go with a gradient color. So let's pull aside the image and click on the background and click on background color right here. And then we can go ahead and choose a gradient color. I like this one here, so I'm going to click that, and boom, that already elevated the post already. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some more details. So I click on elements, and then I'm going to type in paper frame and hit enter. And there's a couple that will come up. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. Okay. I'm going to place it just before her eyes. I think this looks good. Then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to drag the image right into here. So find where you have it and you drag it in here. Boom. Okay. Now, next, what we're going to do is we're going to align this image that we just inserted into the frame with the actual image. Okay. So click on it, and then we're going to try to not do the whole image, the whole frame, but rather the image. Let's try to line this up as best as we can. Let's see. And we're going to try to get the eyes lined up. Perfect. Now this looks okay. Let's see. Click off of it and see what it looks like. I think that looks good. Alrighty. Now let's double check that I did this right. Okay, perfect. Now, I mean, that looks kind of weird now. So we're going to jazz it up a little bit more. So click on the image that we have inserted here and that we made a little bit bigger. Click on edit, and then we're going to adjust the saturation. So we're going to bring it all the way down. Look at that. Now we've got a bit of a black and white in the middle there. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit of text. Okay. So click on your text and then click on, let's go with Boss Babe. She does look a little bit of a boss babe. And then we're going to make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to go ahead and change the font color to white. But I mean, it still looks a bit boring there. So let's add a little bit of an effect. So click the effect button right here. We're going to choose echo. Echo always looks good. And then we're going to add a bit of black right here. And let's work with the offset. I mean, we could also choose a different color. We could choose this or pink. Pink looks actually pretty good. I think this looks really nice. And then we can line it up right here. We can even add a little bit of animation. Look at this. Now this is how you change a simple image to something marvelous. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can get the full picture. And look at that. Absolutely amazing. Now, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps push this video out to more people just like you who are looking to jazz up their post and learn a little bit more about Canva. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.